I love these things. Not an ad. I'm just showing off, really. Let's take a look at this big guy right here. Woo! That thing seen better days. Oh, there it is. And then here's the pulley it wrecked. Wild. Here. So we need to just take these two guys off because we have to transfer that onto the new alternator. But I think when we get done, I'm gonna try and spin this up with like my drill or something. Oh my god, listen. You can just hear the crunchiness. Oh my god. Yeah, that one's just done for. That one's done for sure. Oh man, but we got a nice brand new shiny one. Yeah, I totally did that with under my own strength. No normal human can do that. It's just the kind of humans that build monstrosities in their two-car garage that win beer and pizza races. You know, no big deal. Gotta get so Coyotes use 2 drive belts for their accessory drives. I need to replace the drive belt on the inside, and so that means we have to we gotta basically get this belt loose enough to slip off the front of the crank. Maybe if I can get a deep socket. If you're running power by the hour, if you're running the front runner kit with no air conditioning, you're gonna be using a 38-inch long belt. This is the AutoZone store number. I haven't had issues with these belts. Like, they don't self-destruct. They hold on pretty good. It's a belt. It does a-okay for my application here. Does that help? Oh, hell yeah. Okay. Anyways, so obviously you're wrapping on the inside, that inside pulley. And when you wrap on the inside of that pulley, of the crank pulley, right, the inside track, then you're going to wrap up onto the tensioner, and then the belt is going to basically route right behind that water pump pulley onto in this missing void where the alternator goes, and that way it all clears and stuff. Oh yeah, something's cooked in there. I can hear it, like when it comes to a rolling stop. I'm not getting this near the RPM that the engine's getting it to, but yeah, it's not happy. So this is going to conclude probably the daily series of uploading for Mustang Week for the channel. We're going to go ahead and jump back to our normal posting schedule, which is going to be, you know, first thing Saturday morning, weekly uploads. That's what we're trying to. I think we got it down with the weekly uploads. So there's more content to be posted, more primer blue content, more F-150 content, more racing with the 65 Mustang, wrenching on the 65 Mustang, and having fun with the 65 Mustang. We're definitely going to try and get out there a whole lot more. The tires. Oh yeah, that's something else. Basically, front tires, they're pretty good. Rear tires, I don't know. For some reason, it's like we did a bunch of burnouts. Rear tires have significantly less tread, but hey, that's a part of racing. It is what it is. Now, if you like the video, I hope this inspires you to prepare yourself for Mustang Week coming up in September, and for when they come back to Texas, which I haven't seen them announce that they would be coming back to Texas, but I have a pretty good feeling. They are, because this past week was a success. I don't see them not coming back, because this was entirely fun. The track day was fun. The frickin' drag racing was fun. The car shows were fun. The drifting was great. The burnouts were awesome. There's so much to do. And when all those activities were over, you had a party to go to every day. So thank you, Mustang Week. You guys showed up to Houston, and you guys definitely put on an event that will be remembered, and everyone's going to want to go to it each year. So I'm happy about that. You know, it gets me something to look forward to. So if you like the video, hit the like button. If you like, you know, if there's one thing you liked more than the other with the Mustang Week and the content, and something that maybe stands out that you'd want to see more of, right? Put it down in the comment below. That helps guide me to what you guys are wanting to see. So do we want to enter in the burnout competition? Do you want to try and drift the Mustang? We can try. We can definitely go try drag racing. Maybe next year though. So again, if this is your first time here, why don't you think of subscribing? And again, thank you, Mustang Week, for providing me the opportunity to participate in your event and interact, network with the vendors that were there, and the guidance that you had provided me. So again, I just want to say thank you. Thank you to Modern Driveline again. And yeah, I will see you guys later.